Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Font. Following that, tap on the best one for you. I will go with maybe this one and select Free. When your new style is ready, tap on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access exactly the same settings. But this time select Profile at the bottom right corner. Then click on Fonts under Wallpapers. Lastly, tap on Roboto, hit Apply, and click on Reboot in the pop-up, then wait. As you can see, when I go back, my default font style was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!